Mr. Frank, go. Why didn't you tell me you had cancer, huh? We're partners. We're supposed to tell each other everything.
Jesse, listen to me. My daughter said my greed was like cancer, but it's not actually cancer.
Oh, Mr. Frank, that's lit, dog. I can't imagine a world where my partner just died from cancer.
Right, but just as a precautionary, we start selling the rocks at a higher rate.
Hey, Mr. Frank, if we want to sell more, why don't we move from the small college?
I don't know, Jesse. There's something about college atmospheres. It makes me want to stay here for years and years and never talk to my family.
All right, Frankie.
Hey, Jesse, how's it going? How's the sales going?
Hey, Mr. Frank, you ain't going so good. We got some new competition on the block.
Who could possibly have the balls to compete on my turf? My turf. Is it the Mafia again?
It's the Girl Scouts, Mr. Frank. They're selling some really good stuff. You should try the peanut butter.
Jesse! You have one job. I make the candies and you sell them. If you can't do that, I'm going to find a new partner. Jesse, we are $257,000 in debt. You've told me you've done this before. I don't want to be in the candy business. I don't want to be in the money business. I want to be in the empire business.
Well, Mr. Frank, chill out, man. We'll make our money back. Just give me a few years to sell it all.
Jesse, I don't have years, alright? My greed is getting worse by the minute, alright? It spread directly from my brain into my soul.
Oh, man, Mr. Frank, that's rough.
Hello, Jesse.
Hello, Mr. Frank.
You know who I am, Jesse. You know how much power I hold. You know what? I want you to say my name. Just for a dramatic moment. As if we were in a movie. Say my name!
Frankenstein?
You're gosh darn right. It was nice having you, partner. Well, not really. Just make sure you have my money. Jesse, I'm so sorry for everything I've done to you.
Mr. Frank, it's alright.
You were like a son to me.
But why were you so mean to me?
Because I don't know how to interact with family. I was always too deep into my studies to even write to them.
Word.
I'll never forget our moments together, Jesse.
Whatever. See, you never witch.
I should have studied biology instead.